Alright, we're going to use the offline job programmer for the Presscam 8. First thing you do, hook up a serial cable between the Presscam 8 and your PC. Put the press commander in program mode, cursor over to press utility, and find PC link. Hit the button. Now we come over to the PC. Install the disk that came with the Presscam 8, and it'll install an icon called Launch PC Cam 8R3. Double click on that. Here you go. Now, first thing we got to do, this is the very first time we're linking. The serial port has to be between COM 1 and COM 4. If it's not, go to Device Manager and change it, because it's only going to search the first 4 COM ports. We hit linking, it's trying to establish a link. Okay, so if this is the very first time you're using this, hit New. Tell it where you want to save this file, and I'm going into my documents. It's going to be called PC101. I can change it if I want some value, but every every Presscam 8 is going to needs a unique ID. So in this case, it's 100. Hit save. I'm going to receive, and I want to get all my jobs first. So I'm going to highlight by clicking the left button on my mouse and dragging it down, and get all 100. Like I said, this is just for the very first time. Alright, I exit back out. I've got the bright green line, which means I'm now linked. The file is PC100. I can make changes to all these jobs now. This is job 2. I can change the name, call it whatever we want, X, or X, Y, Z. Make changes in all these different fields if you want. 240. Set your minimum speed to 5. Go into limit switches. Here's some limit switches are programmed, and then we can add some more values. Exit out of that. Change jobs. Let's see, the job 1, and we'll give that a name called job 1. Change the batch size of that. Add a quality count. And then we link back up. We're going to transmit back, and it's highlighted the first 2 jobs because those were the jobs we altered. We send data. Okay, and we save our file PC100 that we corrected, and we get out of it. You can hear the click of the Presscam 8 going back online. Now, the next time around, what we do is we'll put the PC 8 back in PC link mode. Go back, launch our Presscam 8 file. If we know which one it is, we can open up the file. In this case, it was PC100 DAT. We'll open that file. Now we're going to link up, and then it basically said everything's matching. PC100, is everything correct? Yes. Okay. If we changed any files over there, we can get that file to update our file. If not, we just basically exit out. We make changes. Let's say I want to add job 3. Make some changes here. To job 3. Add a job 4. And then we want to send it back. Job 3 and 4 are highlighted. Send, exit. Save our file, our PC100 file, and we exit back out. And there you go.